My Girl. I have no idea who they are. This music video called Windy Day has come out 3 months ago. And I heard it the other day and I was like, I really like this song, so I looked it up and there's a music video for it. So my goal is to actually get into this group because I really like this song. And
yeah, I've only heard of them. I don't know any songs or anything by them. So we'll see how this
I
goes.
feel like, you know what, now that I like think about it, I feel like I heard about them like months ago.
Yeah.
And like I never just like looked into them because I don't really
do girl groups.
Listen to girl groups, but
yeah.
We're gonna listen to it today.
Yes, we
After
are. The ad. Blair Witch is what the ad is called. Kind of looks creepy and I don't like it. Skip it, please.
I'm trying. Okay. Let's start.
Ooh, that's pretty.
When I heard the song, I love the harmony and like how quick it is, pop, you know. She's so little.
She's so adorable. She doesn't look that old.
So far, nothing yet, you know.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go.
I like it. I like how it picks up right there. She's so adorable.
Yeah.
She looks so little.
Here it is.
I like it. A deer. Oh. What?
Just
and I
took another lady.
Yeah. It's all happy and cheery now. It's like. That's all happy and cheery then. What are the shoes that she was wearing?
So it looks like there's like what, 7 of them?
Yeah.
It's not that fast.
Me neither. Vans with the white dress. That's my kind of style. And her kind of style right there. Ooh, treasure box. I still don't understand it.
Not really.
Yeah.
Actually, I was thinking about this during the movie. It's like movie.
Movie.
I was
Yeah.
thinking about this during the music video, and it's kind of like any other like girl group thing, because like I know there's, I don't know what the group's called, like April something or whatever. They do like
April
an
Fools?
outdoor. No. April? Is it April? I don't remember. Some girl group. They do like an outside theme, and like there's a lot of people that do that, and it's just.
Must just
I don't
be
know.
something that they
But
like.
like then it just kind of switched when she had brought up that gun, and then all of a sudden Windy Day happened, and it's like
Yeah.
windy and
It
crazy.
was like, I almost got a feeling that it went to like happy to evil.
almost.
I don't know why. I just like got a feeling like they were happy and cheery, and once when the windy came up, they're like, uh-oh.
Something
You know?
like I don't know. Like
I don't
it
know.
was different, but it was kind of the same as like a lot of other music videos. But I still love the song. Not too crazy about the music video. I might actually get into this group. Who knows?
Yeah. The song was really good.
Yes.
Once again, I don't understand the music video. Like all the others.
Yeah, I like K-pop in general.
Yeah.
Anyways, so that was our reaction to Oh My Girls, Windy Day, and overall thought, yeah,
Yeah.
song great.
Music video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and
Love us forever.
we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.